going to be a video of my new wireless burglar alarm system for my bedroom. And I'll just quick show. I've got PIR up there, which if you can see that. Door pads on the doors and windows. I'll just show you in the window. And they're all operated from this here. This is the main control unit. This isn't actually set up fully. I mean, look at this. Not sure if you can actually see that, but they're Euro plug adapters, not UK ones. So I have to use one of them shaver plug adapter things. I've only got one of them and I need two. So I need one for this bell box thing, although it's pretty stupid because when the system's not in ARM and you open a door or window, it goes off. It's pretty random. But anyway, I'll just set it off for you. To arm it, you have to either press that or press the arm button on there, or you can use my other remote. So 6 remotes, too many. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, you press the button, it makes a noise, right, and it will be setting now. And just wait for 2 red lights to come on next to that green one. Right, the system's in ARM now. So if I go out, my PIR's not on. I'll open the window. Keep watching that. Just go silence that. Oops, that's silenced. I'll do the door as well. So put the door into alarm. Wait for the LEDs to come on. Oh, they're on. Okay, here we go. One on the door is exactly the same. I'll test my PIR. I just need to switch it on because I've had it off because I've been putting it on. Alright, I'll try to stick a nail in the wall. Then my mum stopped me because she thought that the electricity cables would be going wonky when they go in a straight line upwards, and that hole was nowhere near it. And then I use I use double-sided sellotape and it fell off. So now I'm just using some of them sticky pad things. It hasn't fallen up yet and it's been up for about 5 minutes. So let me just activate that. Right, it's on. Right, systems arming. Hopefully. Armed. You just walk out. It sees you eventually. Oh, come on, it saw me earlier. Ah, there we go. That's that. And look at this. I've got 2 of these. And it's to connect it up to the phone line, so you can set it off from your mobile phone and stuff, and it can alert you and everything. Here's some of the other remotes. I actually only have 5 because I've given my friend one because we're in and out here regularly. A load of other stuff. This is for like to put on your garage door thing. And I've got a random smoke detector put in it for free, which will be going downstairs in the hallway because ours is broken. There should be 2 PIRs. Yeah, there's one over there. I've got 3 PIRs, 3 brackets for them. Another door I'll be hopefully getting some other stuff like them emergency button or them infrared beam things. I don't know. So anyway, well, I'll just use the panic feature. I'll use it doing this remote because it's easier. What do you do? Or, in fact no, I'll do it straight from the panel itself because it's easier. Okay. And that's all for now. I will be putting go down the stairs. No, I won't. No, there's no point. In fact, I'll just do a demonstration of this because it's really stupid. Look, Euro adapters don't even need to be plugged into the power supply for this thing to work. Right. And the reason that went off is because the PIR saw me, and the system wasn't even armed. I don't know why it does that, but you know. Anyway, thanks for watching.